Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices, essentially just the weekend. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question, a very valid question, quite straightforward. And that has to do with the fact that the price is now currently bouncing very nicely. I say currently because remember, crypto markets are open 24/7. But I think we can all agree that earlier on in the weekend, when the price was all the way down here compared to where the price is right now, there's no doubt about it, the bulls are making a very nice move as I speak. But that does lead to the question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce taking place right now? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's this green line right here, which I've talked about in the past. What I'm going to do is actually adjust this down right to 6,000. And to me, 6,000 is very important, and it's going to help us answer this question. How so? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 6,000. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price pulls back over the next 24 hours, does something like this, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as 6,000. So yeah, over the next 24 hours, keep an eye on that 6,000. Even if you're watching this chart analysis, let's call it 18 hours from now, key question you need to ask yourself is, where's the price relative to 6,000? And as long as the price is up above 6,000, then yeah, that does imply that the bulls are making progress, and that's the name of the game. So going forward, keep an eye on 6,000, very important. Like I said, as far as resistance, let's see if the price can break up above that purple line there, the 50 period. But as far as I'm concerned, over the next 24 hours, top priority by far is definitely showing progress. Again, that 6,000 mark. So let's see if the bulls can hold above it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.